Welcome back to Podcast Name. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of real-time applications, specifically focusing on a project that showcases how to harness OpenAI's powerful capabilities with WebRTC technology. Now, I know that sounds technical, but stick with me because we're going to break it down in a way that makes sense for everyone, whether you're a tech wizard or just curious about what all this means. So let's start with the basics. What exactly is this OpenAI Real-Time Console, and why should we care about it? Essentially, this application is an example of how you can build interactive real-time functionalities using OpenAI's API. Imagine being able to chat with an AI in real time while working on a web application. Pretty cool, right? Before we get into the nitty-gritty, I want to ask, have you ever wondered how modern applications keep you engaged? Whether it's social media platforms or online gaming, real-time interactions have become standard. This application serves as a foundational tool for developers looking to bring that level of interactivity to their own projects. You'll need an OpenAI API key to get started. If you don't have one, it's pretty simple to create. Who doesn't love an easy onboarding process? And once you've got it, there's an DNV file that you'll be working with, which is a neat little trick in development to keep your sensitive information secure. Now, let's talk about running this application locally. For that, you'll need Node.js. If you haven't heard of it, just think of it as a popular way to run JavaScript outside of a web browser. This makes it really versatile. And to get everything up and running, you'll install some dependencies. It's like gathering all your tools before you start a project. Once you've done that, starting your application server is as easy as pie, and voila, you're live on localhost at port 3000. Now, before your eyes glaze over with all this tech talk, let's add a little context. Visualize setting up a digital workshop where all your projects happen in real time and you get to see the results immediately. That's the kind of space this application creates. But hey, what about those of you who might be scratching your heads wondering, what if I don't really get WebRTC or APIs? Well, let's turn back to the previous version of this application that utilized WebSockets, an earlier method of enabling real-time communication. While it's still used in some cases, developers now tend to prefer WebRTC for its efficiency. It's a bit like how everyone has switched to electric cars for better energy efficiency. Advancement in technology just keeps getting better and better. As we wrap up, I want you all to take a moment to think about the implications of real-time AI interactions. What do you think the future holds for applications powered by AI? Will it shape the way we interact online even further? I'd love to hear your thoughts. Thank you for joining me today as we explored the OpenAI Real-Time Console. It's been a blast diving into this techie territory with you, and I hope you found it as intriguing as I do. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and who knows, maybe you'll build the next great real-time application.